Thank you so much, Thomas the Submarine.
Happy to help. I'll find that crate and be right back.
Hello, little fishes. There it is. Oh no, it's all tangled in seaweed. I'll need some help. They did it!
I've got it!
There, job complete. And I couldn't have done it without you, Thomas.
And those fish. All right. Good day, Cranky.
Oh, Thomas, one last thing. Happy birthday!
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Well, cereal and the milk and it to you. I just find in half and a look at the hair for the Mr. Fire Truck Snoring. Things around to make cereal. But then for the milk, it's harder to go down in the basement.
Oh no! Help somebody! Oh! Oh, got it! Wait, it down, Steve, again.
Justin?
They start eating the house, and suddenly a mean old witch comes out and...
We are really going to need your help today.
What is that sound? Do you know?
Snoring!
Snoring? Is Steve still sleeping? There's no time for sleeping. Will you go with Blue and wake up Steve? Excellent.
We'll go start the breakfast.
Yummy, yummy. Steve, it's time to get up. Steve, wake up.
Duck, duck, goose.